is Reinna and Happy New Year! I got my new do and I'm going to try new stuff that I have already tried but off cam. So without further ado, let's do this! So last Christmas, I gave you my heart. Charot! So last Christmas, ang dami kong na-receive na makeup. So, sobrang saya ng lola nyo. Woo! So, sobrang excited ko. Tinry ko na sila except for the gift that was given to me by Ate Arwa. If you don't know who Ate Arwa is, you can check out my previous video because we just did a collaboration together when she was here in the Philippines. So, I'll be linking it down below or at the end of the video for you to watch what we did. So this first thing that I'm going to use isn't a gift, but I got this for myself last, I think it's November 11, the 11/11 Lazada sale. So this was on sale and impulsive buying. I bought it because it was for only 360, I think. So 360 or 260, I don't know how much, I forgot. But it was a moisturizer and it's really huge and it's St. Ives. I put this on every night before I go to sleep and in the morning before I put on my makeup. But this one is sticky, unlike the Celatec one, which was like a natural skin, I think. Basta yung para lang siyang face mo. So, this is what we're going to use as a moisturizer for today. I'm already done with doing my eyebrows and then priming my skin and applying the green color corrector. So the thing that is new in this routine is my foundation. So I received a foundation from my office mate last December. So this is NYX's Total Drop. Oh, charot. So this is NYX's Total Control Drop Foundation. So thank you very much for this gift po. So this is in the shade number 10 and I think it's called Buff. I have already used this foundation last December 22, which was our Christmas party, since nabalitaan ko na this is very long wearing and it's in full coverage. So at that time, meron akong pimple nun, and then I thought foundation could cover it, but it didn't. Sobrang laki kasi ng pimple ko that time. I don't know if you have seen it on my Instagram account, but nandun siya. May remembrance sa akin yung pimple na yon. And then, it's very matte and I really like the finish of this foundation. So, let's head and try it out. So, medyo funny yung itsura ko dito, but this is what I really look like whenever I put this foundation on. So, warning lang, if you're going to test this out, make sure that you blend it on your skin and wag yung parang nilagay niyo lang siya sa kamay niyo just to see the pigment. For the product review, this foundation is really matte and you don't even need to apply your concealer. Now that we're done trying on the foundation, I'm going to do the rest of my face and then head on over to the eyes. I just saved you guys for 30 minutes of me doing my makeup. So I've already contoured my face, baked my face, blush, and the other concealers and everything, and I've put on lip balm since I have chapped lips because of the cold weather here in the Philippines. Even if we don't have snow, the coldness here is still drying. So I've put on my EOS lip balm, which I received from my exchange gift last December from our department's Christmas party. I've already had an EOS lip balm which was in this color. It's pink and it's flavored strawberry, but the one that I received this year was this blue-green, or it's in Tiffany blue, which is a little bit minty, but I still like it. So thank you for the one who gave me this. lip balm. It really saved my lips. Also, I have already primed my eyelids with NYX Profit Waterproof Eyeshadow Primer. This is the moment that I have been waiting for, and this product was given to me by Ate Arwa, and I haven't tried it ever since it came. This was her gift to me last Christmas, and I was the one who ordered it online. So we bought it here in the Philippines since walang ganitong brand sa Oman. Bought this palette on an IG store which is called. So thank you very much. This palette claims to be the most pigmented eyeshadow palette in the makeup industry. It's much cheaper than the other palettes that I know, and it is from Jovaya's Place. So this is the Zulu palette. So ayun, medyo the colors in this palette are out of my comfort zone. So I have never used these kinds of shades before. So I don't know what I'm going to do with my eyes tonight. So I have seen its colors or swatches from their IG profile, and I have to say that it's really pigmented, but I have to try it for myself. So let's do some swatches first before I put it on my eyelids. These are the shades in this palette. So I have posted this online already, and I don't know if my followers remember, but if you are following me, I asked you guys there whether which eyeshadow palette should I buy. So the choices were ColourPop's Femme Rose, ColourPop's Yes Please eyeshadow palette, and this Jovaya's Place Zulu eyeshadow palette. What I remember was this Instagram user said that I should try the Zulu palette, so that's what I bought. Over to the swatches. Hot damn. Damn. This is the swatches of the eyeshadows. I don't know if you're going to see it clearly, but I'm going to change the angle. So those were the swatches of the Zulu makeup palette, and the first thing that came to my mind when I saw these colors were the Instagram logo. I'm going to have the inspiration from the Instagram's logo, and I hope it turns out very well. I think I can do this. We can do this. I can do this. Now that we're done with the eyeshadow, I'm going to move on to the next gift that I received last Christmas, which was from my boyfriend's sister, and it came from Sephora. So thank you very much, Ate, for giving me this gift. And this one is a brand that I've always wanted to have, but their products are so expensive, and they don't have a store here in the Philippines. But I think they ship worldwide or internationally. But this is the pressure. So I received the Pressure Pick Tarte Precious Picks kit. So this was very thoughtful of her to buy me a makeup. In this kit, we have the Tarte Amazon. So ayan, nag-brown out, but I have to finish what I started. Yung laman na tong Precious Picks kit is an Amazonian clay blush in the shade Ornate, Lights Camera Lashes mascara, and then an Amazonian clay lipstick, I think. So I can't really read it kasi nga madilim. This is what I'm going to use for my blush and for my lips and for my lashes. I'm going to put on my eyeliner first. So this is going to be a big challenge for me, especially madilim, wala akong ilaw. My only light is my phone. So let's see if I will ruin this makeup look or I'll go through it. So the power is back, but I have to continue doing what I'm doing. Picking up where we left off, so I'm going to try the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. So ang akala ko nung una is leather tong mascara na to, but it turns out to be plastic with crocodile skin print lang pala. When I first tried it out, medyo naghulas siya at the end of the day. Pero naman, pero naman, yung lengthening effect niya is talagang nakakahaba. Pagka, siguro light yung makeup, but since I have a heavy makeup on, medyo hindi siya kita, and pag ganito talaga is kailangan mo ng mga false eyelashes. So the last product that we're going to try tonight is Tarte's lipstick. So kung kanina hindi ko siya mabasa kung ano siya, so ngayon makikita na natin. So this one's under the Color Splash collection. So it's in the shade Surf's Up.
Surf's Up is a kind of nude shade that can be worn every day. So it is also very easy to apply, and para siyang butter na parang creamy matte yung feel sa lips.
So that is it for this video. I hope you guys like this makeup look. And I'd like to know in the comments below which product you like the best. Is it the Juvia's? Is it the Tarte? Is it the NYX? Or or the other products that I have tried in my previous videos. Don't forget to hit like and click subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell to get notified when I have new videos uploaded every 1 or 2 weeks or months. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and Happy New Year! Bye!